More occurs in these 4 chapters than I've included in this talk. What I left out appeared to me extraneous or confusing. I'm going to focus on what I see as the crux here. In chapter 3, Augustine summarizes Evodius' next concern, which I imagine challenges us all. How can we reconcile these 2 statements? The first, God foreknows the future. The second, we do not necessarily sin, rather we voluntarily sin. If we affirm the first statement, we feel constrained to concede that we necessarily sin and that ultimately sin is on God. If we affirm the second statement, we worry that we do violence to the divine quality of foreknowledge and commit heresy. So what's the way out? Here might be one way to deal with the antagonism. Augustine doesn't see foreknowledge and free choice to be at odds. Augustine claims that foreknowledge does not force anyone to sin. He thinks of it as a kind of faculty, like memory. We have memory of the past, but does memory force those events in the past to happen? We would say no. So why would the opposite be true if we run it in reverse? Foreknowledge is just a form of future remembering that does not affect what we will, and God is well within his boundaries to award and punish the virtuous and the vicious. What do we think about this? Is it convincing? I don't really have a problem with imbuing God with a form of future remembering. Sounds pretty cool. What worries me is how this is going to create other problems for Augustine. How is he going to get God off the hook for not intervening more in human affairs when things go really, really wrong?